Here within your very hands, upon my face you wipe away all weariness and tears. Born out of questions that arise, of what lies past the walls, where darkness and wrongdoings hide. If our foes still hold endless strength in mind, while a child peeks softly through the window's light, within their quiet eyes a story starts to unfold, of hopes that reach out toward the world outside their home. You walked along that winding road, still trusting every promise that was told. A love that's true and deeply felt, slowly turning all your sorrows into something sweet and well. Your heart trembles as you cross the bridge, wherever your true worth and purpose live. For I have walked the path where your own struggles live. And when you come back home, please listen well to what I give. These words I carry straight to you, and let me ask this question too. Is it true that people all around are the answer to every lost thing we have found? Have you finally come to hold the joy which once so easily slipped and turned to cold? Buried deep beneath the noise and crowd, yet still we chase it, call it loud. Sheltering them even when they turn away with pride, breathing hard as we go through the hardest times we've tried. The distance that keeps us far apart, every hold, every pain that cuts deep in the heart. Slowly I am learning how to bear. Is this a suffering that we will forever share? Wherever your true worth and purpose live, for I have walked the path where your own struggles live. And when you come back home, please listen well to what I give. These words I carry straight to you, and let me ask this question too. Is it true that people all around are the answer to every lost thing we have found? Wherever your true worth and purpose live, for I have walked the path where your own struggles live. And when you come back